I'm Ken Clark of HBS Dealer. That stands for Hardware and Building Supply. This is Ken's New Jersey Garage, an actual garage in New Jersey where we demonstrate new products and cool products such as the Klein KARBN Safety Helmet. And that's KARBN spelled K-A-R-B-N. The version we have has all the safety features you'd expect shown here. Here's for the size adjustment knob that makes for a comfortable fit, along with the evaporative sweat bands and top pads. And check out this cool light. It has 3 settings. It's adjustable, comes off, and has a strong magnet on the back that allows you to do all kinds of creative projects. The helmet has 6-point suspension for enhanced stability and adjustable side vents to control airflow. The combination headlamp and magnetic work light recharges with a USB cord included in the package. And the product is so comfortable you can wear it in a Zoom meeting with your sales guy. Now watch what I can do. Additional accessories include a safety lamp, visors, and even a helmet cooling fan. The headlamp equipped Class C Klein Tools KARBN Safety Helmet sells for about $100. Thanks again for visiting Ken's New Jersey Garage. For more news, products, analysis, insights, visit hbsdealer.com.